Hi friends, welcome to our channel Siege. We are now doing an amazing unboxing of the beast iPhone 11. I have purchased this on Amazon during the Great Indian Festival sale. This was priced at 47,999 and I got this for 46,200 post discount, which is the best deal ever on this iPhone. This is a 64GB variant and it also comes in 128GB and 256GB variants as well. You get black, green, yellow, purple, white and red color options in it, and I preferred red since my sister wanted the red color. Handling the iPhone 11 is as iPhone experience as it can get. It is somewhat slippery, but thanks to the brushed frame. The iPhone 11 box is white and just a little bit larger than the iPhone itself. Inside, you will find the iPhone 11 bundled with the regular lightning cable, a pair of earpods ending on a lightning plug, and with the ancient 5-watt charger. The grip is not a disaster, but since it is in between the compact of iPhone 11 Pro and the large iPhone 11 Pro Max, it is good in the most cases of operating with one hand, though not all of them, but still the operation is made easy. We like the glass design and the aluminum frame. It is a very traditional formula and we hope the custom Gorilla Glass in front and back is as tough as Apple claims it to be. And note that it means it is tough to break, not tough to scratch. A very important detail that we need to say about the glass. I preferred red color because it looks classy, and since we also have other color options like black, green, yellow, purple and white even looks more classy. And see, this red is like a beast on the iPhone 11 ever. And with the Apple logo in the center of the back glass, it looks even more classy and when you're handling it. And it is so handy. iPhone 11 is so handy that you can handle it with one hand. There is no fingerprint sensor in this model, and it has been removed from iPhone XR. As I said, inside you will find the iPhone 11 bundle with the lightning cable and a pair of earpods with a SIM tool as well. iPhone 11 looks like any recent iPhone at the front, a large screen with two horns and nothing else. Over there, the back, Apple adopted the new square of the front camera, and though it's a dual setup on the iPhone 11 instead of triple as on the Pro models. You get a guide with it and a couple of stickers of Apple logo. And Apple also used the same screen from the XR on the iPhone 11 as well, and it has no improvements in the contrast or brightness. iPhone XR also gets the same 6.1-inch IPS LCD panel with a big notch for the Face ID, the selfie snapper and top speaker. It is protected by the toughest glass on the planet, which is custom Gorilla Glass made by Corning. And we get the SIM tool and the guide, couple of information related to iPhone and a hello card, but we can safely call it flat. This is a 5-watt charger you get, which is pretty good enough for this iPhone variant, which can charge your first phone. Apple has always used these minor curves around its glass panels to make the iPhones look thinner and prettier, but it has never gone to the extremes. And see, the packaging of the headset also made it eco-friendly. They have given it on a card sheet instead of giving it as a box in like the other earlier iPhone models. This is a lightning cable which gets you the speed charging. And finally, the device. The notch is not going away anytime soon, and it is a big change on the other models. It also contains the 3D TOF sensor, the earpiece that also bubbles as a double speaker, the new 12MP selfie cam, and a bunch of other sensors for true tone, brightness, and proximity. We are glad that Apple finally upgraded the selfie camera, and it's now a 12MP shooter behind wide 23mm images. It still lacks autofocus, but it can do 4K at 60 and 30 frames per second videos with always on cinematic experience and stabilization. And thanks to the wider lens, the Face ID will supposedly work for wider angles. The front glass has the usual oleophobic coating that makes fingerprints and smudges harder to stick when they do. It is also very easy to clean. You can do it with one swipe of your clean hand or shot. We wish more makers use the same coating. iPhone 11 has noticeably bigger screen bezels than the Pro models, and the same as on the iPhone XR. Its display is an LCD one instead of OLED, and this type of panels have few hardware restrictions that result in such bezels. And these are some of the photos which have been taken on iPhone 11 in the morning, which is very much wonderful to look at. You get to take images in 3 different angles and with dual cameras, and you can also take a black and white pictures like this and colored photos like this with vivid functionality. That's all for today. Thanks everyone. See you. We'll get back to you with another video with the specifications of iPhone 11. Thanks.